Hello everyone and welcome to Neat Buddy. Today is the 8th Sunday and we are going to do Unit 8 Biology in Human Welfare. I'm going to provide you 50 most repeated MCQs from this unit of Class 12 NCERT Biology. I hope you have read all the chapters of this unit, and in the comment section guys, do let us know how you feel these MCQ series are helping you, both the jumbled as well as the unit wise MCQs, and if you are finding them helpful, do share them with your friends as well. So without wasting much time, let's get started.
Question number 1. Which of the following statement is correct with respect to immunity? The antibodies against smallpox pathogen are produced by T lymphocytes. Antibodies are protein molecules, each of which has 4 light chains. Rejection of kidney graft is function of B lymphocytes. Preformed antibodies is needed to be injected in case of snake bite. You have to mark the correct statement. Correct answer is option D is correct. Option 4 is correct. Antibodies against smallpox pathogen are produced by B lymphocytes and not T lymphocytes. Antibodies are protein molecules, each with 2 light chain and 2 heavy chain. Rejection of kidney graft is a function of T cells. It's a cell mediated response, right? So first 3 statements are wrong. And in fourth statement, preformed antibodies are needed to be injected to treat the bite by a viper snake. That's a true statement. Question number 2. Which one of the following statements is correct? Option A. Benign tumors show property of metastasis. Heroin accelerates body function. Malignant tumors may exhibit metastasis. Patients who have undergone surgery are given cannabinoids to relieve pain. Which of the following statements is correct? The correct answer is option 3 is correct. Malignant tumors may exhibit metastasis. What is metastasis? The ability of the tumor cells to transport themselves from their primary site to some other site in the body and carry out cancer over there. Question number 3. Ringworms in humans is caused by bacteria, fungi, nematode, viruses. Ringworm in humans is caused by. Correct answer is option 2, that is fungus. Remember guys, don't confuse ringworm with nematodes, okay? Ringworm is the name given to the lesion, not the organism. Ringworm is the lesion which is caused by fungus, right? There are 3 such funguses which causes the ringworm. The names are given in the NCERT, find them out. Question number 4. If you suspect a major deficiency of antibodies in a person, to which of the following would you look to confirm the evidence? You are suspecting that there is a deficiency of antibodies in a person. Which of the following would you look? These following are the things that are there in blood. Okay, which of these would you look as a confirmatory evidence? Serum globulin, fibrinogen in plasma, serum albumin, hemocytes. The correct answer is option 1, that is serum globulins. Question number 5. Trichoderma herzianum has proved a useful organism for biological control of soil-borne plant pathogens, bioremediation of contaminated soils, reclamation of wastelands, gene transfer in higher plants. Correct answer is option 1, that is biological control of soil-borne plant pathogens. Question number 6. To which type of barrier under the innate immunity do the saliva in mouth and tears in the eye belong to? Innate immunity is the immunity that is present since birth. So all 4 options are type of innate immunity. You have to tell out of which 4 groups does saliva of mouth and tear of eye belong to. Physical barrier, cytokine barrier, cellular barrier, physiological barrier. Correct answer is option 4, physiological barrier. Question number 7. Match the disease in column 1 with appropriate terms which can be either pathogen, prevention or treatment in column 2. So column 1 contains name of diseases. Column 2 contains either the pathogen causing the disease or mode of prevention of disease or treatment for the disease. So you have to match the column, right? So column 1 contains amoebiasis, diphtheria, cholera, syphilis. Column 2 contains Treponema pallidum, use only sterilized food and water. DPT vaccine, use oral rehydration therapies. You can see the options, match and then mark the correct option. So the correct answer is option 1 is correct. That is, amoebiasis is spread by food and water. So you need to use sterilized food and water. That is option column second. Then B, diphtheria. Diphtheria is can be prevented by vaccine, DPT. The DPT vaccine stands for diphtheria, pertussis and tetanus, right? So the D stands for diphtheria. So diphtheria goes with 3. B goes with 3. C, that is cholera. Cholera causes dehydration because there is excessive loss of water in stool. So use of oral rehydration therapy can be used as a treatment for cholera. So C goes with 4. Syphilis caused by Treponema pallidum. That's the causal organism of syphilis. So D goes with 1. So correct answer is option 1. That is, A goes with 2, B goes with 3, C goes with 4 and D goes with 1. Question number 8. Consider the following statements about biomedical technologies. First statement, during open heart surgery, blood is circulated in heart-lung machine. B, blockage in coronary artery is removed by angiography. C, computerized axial tomography, that is CAT, shows detailed internal structures as seen in a section of body. D, X-ray provides clear and detailed image of organs like prostate gland and lungs. You have to tell which of the four, out of which four, which two are correct. Options are given as A and B, B and D, C and D, or A and C. So which is the correct statement? Which are the correct statement rather? The correct answer is option 4. That is first statement and the third statement. During open heart surgery, blood is circulated in heart-lung machine. That's correct. Computerized axial tomography shows detailed internal structure as seen in section of body. That's correct, right? So two statements A and C are correct. Question number 9. Which one of the following is the correct statement regarding particular psychotropic drug specified? Option 1. Barbiturates causes relation and temporary euphoria. Option 2. Hashish causes afterthought perceptions and hallucinations. Option 3. Opium stimulates nervous system and causes hallucinations. Option 4. Morphine leads to delusions and disturbed emotion. Correct answer is option 2. Hashish causes thought perceptions and hallucinations. Question number 10. Modern detergents contain enzyme preparations of thermophiles, acidophiles, alkaliphiles, thermoacidophiles. Correct answer is option 2. They contain acidophiles. Question number 11. Morphine, which is used as analgesic, is obtained from Taxus brevifolia, Berberis nilgariensis, Cinchona officinalis, Papaver somniferum. Correct answer is option D, that is Papaver somniferum. Question number 12. Pebrine is a disease of fish, honeybee, silkworm, lac insect. Correct answer is option C, silkworm. Question number 13. Breeding of crops with high levels of minerals, vitamins and proteins is called somatic hybridization, biofortification, biomagnification or micropropagation. The correct answer is biofortification. Question number 14. A common biocontrol agent for control of plant diseases is baculovirus, Bacillus thuringiensis, Glomus, Trichoderma. Correct answer is option 4, that is Trichoderma. Question number 15. Vidal test is used for diagnosis of malaria, pneumonia, tuberculosis or typhoid. Correct answer is option 4, typhoid. Question number 16. Use of antihistamines and steroids give a quick relief from nausea, cough, headache, allergy. The correct answer is option 4, allergy. Question number 17. A globulin contained in human blood plasma are primarily involved in osmotic balance of body fluids, oxygen transport in blood, clotting of blood, defense mechanism of body. What is the function of globulins which is found in human blood plasma? The correct answer is option 4, that is defense mechanism of body. Number 18. Consider the following 4 statements A to D and select the option which includes all correct ones only. Single cell spirulina can produce large quantity of food rich in protein, minerals and vitamins. Body weight wise, the microorganisms Methylophilus methylotropus may be able to produce several times more protein than the cow per day. Common button mushrooms are a very rich source of vitamin C. A rice variety has been developed which is very rich in calcium. Options are statement A, C, D, statement B, C, D, statement A and B, or statement C and D. You have to mark the correct statements. So the correct answer is option 3, statement A and B are correct. Question number 19. Which one of the following is now being commercially produced by biotechnological procedures? Morphine, quinine, insulin or nicotine? Correct answer is option 3, that is insulin. Question number 20. Name the pulmonary disease in which the alveolar surface area is reduced due to smoking. The correct answer is option C, that is emphysema. Question number 21. Drugs that cause malformation in developing embryo during pregnancy are called as teratogens, nicotine, tranquilizers, alcoholic beverages. The correct answer is option A, teratogens. Question number 22. A transgenic food crop which may help in solving the problem of night blindness in developing countries is flower saver, starlink maize, BT soybean, golden rice. Correct answer is option D, golden rice. Number 23. Nitrogen fixation in root nodules of Alnus is brought about by Bradyrhizobium, Clostridium, Frankia, Azorhizium. Correct answer is option C, Frankia. Question number 24. Which of the following bioengineered bacteria is utilized for clearing the marine oil slicks? Escherichia coli, Pseudomonas syringae, Pseudomonas purida, Rhizoctonia solani. The correct answer is option C, Pseudomonas purida. Question number 25. Green potatoes are toxic due to phytoalexins, solanin, triazine, hormones. Correct answer is option B, solanin. Question number 26. Which one of the following techniques is safest for detection of cancers? Radiography, computer tomography, histopathological study, magnetic resonance imaging. Safest. The correct answer is option 4, that is magnetic resonance imaging. Question number 27. Which of the following is a pair of viral disease? Common cold, AIDS, dysentery, common cold, typhoid, tuberculosis, ringworm, AIDS. Pair of viral diseases. The correct answer is option 1, that is common cold and AIDS. Question number 28. the most effective phagocytic white blood cell are neutrophils and monocytes, neutrophils and eosinophils, lymphocytes and macrophages, eosinophils and lymphocytes. The correct answer is option 1, neutrophils and monocytes. Question number 29. Which of the following diseases is caused by a protozoan? Blastomycosis, syphilis, influenza, babesiosis. Disease caused by a protozoan. The correct answer is option 4, babesiosis. Question number 30. Which insecticide is more hazardous to human health? Rotenone, pyrethrum, DDT and humulin. Which is the most hazardous insecticide? Correct answer is option C, DDT is the hazardous insecticide. Question number 31. Some hyperthermophilic organisms that grow in highly acidic habitats belong to two groups: Eubacteria archaea, Cyanobacteria diatoms, protists and mosses, liverworts and yeast. Correct answer is option 1, Eubacteria and archaea. Question number 32. The main objective of production or use of herbicide resistance GM crops is to reduce herbicide accumulation in food articles for health safety, eliminate weeds from field without use of manual labor, eliminate weeds from the field without use of herbicides, encourage eco-friendly herbicides. The correct answer is option 2, to eliminate weeds from the field without use of manual labor. Question number 33. Consider the following 4 measures A to D that could be taken to successfully grow chickpeas in an area with bacterial blight disease common. Spray with Burdocks mixture, control the insect vector of the disease pathogen, use of only disease-free seeds, use of varieties resistant to the disease. Which two of the above measures can control the disease? The correct answer is option 4, C and D. Use of only disease-free seeds and use of varieties resistant to the disease. Question number 34. Human insulin is being commercially produced from transgenic species of Saccharomyces, Escherichia, Mycobacterium, Rhizobium. The correct answer is option 2, Escherichia. Question number 35. Cornea transplant in humans is almost never rejected. This is because it is a non-living layer. The cells are least penetrable by bacteria. It has no blood supply. It is composed of enucleated cells. Why is cornea transplant almost never rejected? The correct answer is option 3, because it has no blood supply. For rejection, there has to be blood supply through which the cells can come. Since it has no blood supply, no cells would come, no rejection is seen. Question number 36. Which one of the following statements is correct with respect to AIDS? HIV can be transmitted by eating food together with infected person. Drug addicts are least susceptible to HIV infection. AIDS patients are being fully cured % with proper care and nutrition. The causative HIV retrovirus enters helper T cell, thus reducing their number. The correct answer is option 4 is correct. Question number 37. The gut of the cow and buffalo possesses Chlorella species, Methanogens, Cyanobacteria, Fucus species. The correct answer is option 2, Methanogen species. Question number 38. Which of the following viruses is not transferred through semen of infected male? HIV virus, Chikungunya virus, Ebola virus, Hepatitis B virus. Correct answer is option 2, that is Chikungunya virus. Question number 39. The active form of Entamoeba histolytica feeds upon mucosa and submucosa of colon only, food in intestine, blood only, erythrocyte, mucus and submucosa of colon. Active form of ant amoeba histolytica feeds upon. The correct answer is option 4, erythrocytes, mucosa and submucosa of colon. Number 40. The bacterial leaf blight of rice is caused by a species of Arvenia, Xanthomonas, Pseudomonas, Alternaria. Bacterial leaf blight is a disease of rice which is caused by. Correct answer is option 2, Xanthomonas. Question number 41. Which one of the following is linked to the discovery of Bordeaux mixture as a popular fungicide? Black rust of wheat, bacterial leaf blight of rice, downy mildew of grapes, loose smut of wheat. Which one of the following is linked to the discovery of Bordeaux mixture as popular fungicide? The correct answer is option 3, downy mildew of grapes. Number 42. A technique of micropropagation is somatic embryogenesis, protoplast fusion, embryo rescue, somatic hybridization. The correct answer is option 1, that is somatic embryogenesis. Question number 43. Bacterial endotoxin is a toxic product that stays inside the bacterial cell, toxic protein that is excreted into the medium, lipopolysaccharide located on the surface of the bacteria, none of above. The correct answer is option C. It is a lipopolysaccharide located on the surface of bacteria. Question number 44. Which of the following is not one of the prime health risk factors associated with UV radiations through the atmosphere due to depletion of stratospheric ozone? Reduced immune system, damage to eyes, increased liver cancer, increased skin cancer. The correct answer is option 3. Increased liver cancer is not the prime health risk associated with greater UV radiations. Question number 45. Which one of the following pairs is wrongly matched? Alcohol, nitrogenase, fruit juice, pectinase 3, textile amylase, detergent lipase. Wrongly matched. The correct answer is option 1. Alcohol nitrogenase is wrongly matched. Question number 46. Which of the following is not used as a biopesticide? Trichoderma hirsutenum, nuclear polyhedrosis virus, Xanthomas campestris, Bacillus thuringiensis. Not used as a biopesticide. The correct answer is option 3. Xanthomonas campestris is not used as a biopesticide. Question number 47. Cells obtained from cancerous tumors are known as hybridomas, melanomas, lymphocytes, monoclonal cells. The correct answer is option B, that is melanomas. Question number 48. Which is a useful product of epidermal origin? Saffron, cotton fibers, clove, jute. The correct answer is option B, that is jute. Question number 49. Select the correct statement from the ones given below. Barbiturates, which when given to criminals make them tell the truth. Morphine is often given to persons who have undergone surgery as painkiller. Chewing tobacco lowers blood pressure and heart rate. Cocaine is given to patient after surgery as it stimulates recovery. You have to select the correct statement. So the correct answer is option 2 is correct. Question number 50. HIV that causes AIDS first starts destroying leukocytes, helper T cells, thrombocytes or B lymphocytes. The correct answer is option 2, that is helper T cells. So those are the 50 MCQs for today. I'll see you guys again tomorrow with our daily jumbled MCQs, and next Sunday we are going to cover unit 9 of class 12 NCERT biology. It's a small unit. Cover the entire unit. You can cover it twice if you want. It's a small but a important unit. So I'll see you guys till then. All the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you are new out there. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.